Most importantly, let me thank you for view my recordings the current video about Polygon. Polygon, Matic, took titles a few times all through 2021 and arrived at a few staggering highs. Furthermore, presently financial backers are asking what is Polygon generally anticipated to reach. Before we uncover our top Polygon Matic cost expectations, we should initially see how much is a Polygon. Also, what is the worth of one Matic? As per our drawn-out Polygon cost forecast, the cost of Polygon will reach $2.66 toward the finish of 2022, ascending to $4.40 toward the finish of 2023 and $10.11 toward the finish of 2025. Polygon will then, at that point, ascend to $31.20 in 2027 and $50.45 in 2030. Are these Matic cost projections reasonable or unreasonably bullish? On the off chance that you're actually battling to sort out whether or not Polygon Matic is a wise venture, we guarantee you'll have a response toward this video's end. Continue to peruse to perceive the amount Matic could be worth in 2022, 2023, 2025, 2027, and 2030, and every one of the in the middle between. End of 2022, becoming the top Ethereum scaling arrangement in 2022 will take Matic to a high of $2.87. End of 2025, aiding Ethereum's progress to verification of stake in 2025 will see Polygon Matic appreciate to $15.13. End of 2030, providing scaling answers for an assortment of other blockchains in 2030 will see Polygon hit $54.85 in 2030. The local badge of Polygon is Matic, named after its unique marking, Matic Network. Matic is an ERC20 symbolic that is utilized to pay for administrations on the stage. It can likewise be utilized as a settlement money between various clients, as well as to pay exchange expenses. There is an all-out supply of 10 billion Matic tokens, and one token can be separated into 18 decimal spots. Authentic Polygon, Matic, price movements. Analyzing Matic's value history is the number one thing you ought to do while thinking about making an interest in Polygon. By using Polygon's authentic information, you can get a brief look at what the resource is fit for from now on. What was Polygon's beginning value? Polygon was most readily accessible to financial backers between the 25th and 26th of April 2019 through an ICO, starting coin offering, at $1 Matic to $0.00263. What was Polygon's greatest cost? Polygon's unequaled high is $2.92, came to on the 27th of December 2021. What was Polygon's most minimal value? Polygon's unequaled low is $0.003012, recorded on the 9th of May 2019. In 2021, Polygon started the year at $0.01781, hit its ongoing all-time high referenced above, and finished the year at $2.5271 per Matic. Polygon's ongoing 52-week low is $0.2985. Specialized analysis of Polygon, Matic, conducting Matic value investigation is an outright unquestionable requirement. Equipped with top-to-bottom examination, you'll be better ready to make. Moreover, the 2021 bull run can make it harder to sort out Matic's legitimate cost potential really. In any case, there are a few perceptions that we can make. Right off the bat, from its creation until the start of 2021, Matic sold for 1 cent to 2 cents, thus arriving at costs of $1 to $2, was a huge jump. Also, most clearly, Polygon is impacted by the cost of Bitcoin and any bullish opinion on the lookout. Very much like numerous other digital currencies, it detonated in May 2021 and afterward in October and November 2021. Polygon, Matic, price prediction 2022 to 2030 based on our Polygon Matic cost forecast. From 2022 to 2030 a drawn-out expansion in the cost of Matic is normal, recommending that financial backers might actually benefit more in the long haul than the present moment. As indicated by these expectations, the worth of the Polygon token could ascend to $2.66 toward the finish of 2022, $4.40 in 2023, and accomplish a mean cost of $10.11 by 2025, an increment of 632%. Now that we discover a smidgen more about Polygon's authentic costs, we can begin to recognize what essential variables could impact its cost before long. By joining major and specialized investigation, we can find an educated solution to the inquiry, would it be a good idea for me, I put resources into Polygon? The cost of any not set in stone by the connection among market interest. Whenever the interest surpasses the stock, the cost goes up to mirror the shortage. Whenever the stock is more noteworthy than the interest, the cost will fall. As we referenced before, there is a complete inventory of 10 billion Matic tokens. Contrast this with the complete inventory of Bitcoin tokens, which is covered at just 21 million. This stunning stockpile makes the crypto substantially more versatile than others available. Taking into account the absolute stockpile is yet to enter course, we could see the cost of Matic begin to increment as the connection among organic market changes. One more variable that can colossally influence the cost of digital money is the predominance of powerful financial backers. Simply see how much control Elon Musk, who is to a great extent credited for the ascent of Dogecoin, Doge, employs over the market. Very rich person Mark Cuban seriously loves Matic, and this VIP support has without a doubt been gainful for the resource. Polygon, Matic, price prediction 2022-2022 will see Polygon become the #1 scaling answer for Ethereum. The Matic cost is supposed to ascend to a yearly high of $2.87, hit a yearly low of $1.18, and end 2022 at $2.66, according to our momentary Polygon Matic cost expectation gauge. By 2022, Matic United States dollar will achieve a normal of $2.59. Polygon, Matic, price prediction 2023 DeFi projects trying to scale quicker on the Ethereum blockchain will pack over to Polygon in 2023. Beginning 2023 at $2.67, Matic will hit a limit of $5.26 and end the year at $4.40. Our transient Polygon cost expectation likewise appraises at least $2.58 and a yearly normal of $3.79. Expected highs and lows of Polygon, Matic, even after Ethereum finishes its confirmation of stake progress, it will be difficult to envision it working without Polygon's adaptability administrations, which hypothetically could be considerably quicker by this point. However, on the other side, there is additionally a gamble that Matic might become excess and have to re-examine itself. The essential concern financial backers ought to remember while putting resources into Polygon is that it has many opponents, like Polkadot and Avalanche. The beneath expectation figures frame the likely highs and lows of Polygon cost expectation conjectures for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2027, and 2030 presented by specialized examiners and industry specialists. Who is behind Polygon? Polygon was established by Jayanti Kanani, Sandeep Nailwal, Anurag Arjun, and Mihailo Bielik. Kanani goes about as CEO of Polygon, previously known as the Matic Network. Prior to making the Matic Network, a lot of Group Polygon were at that point laid out blockchain engineers, having made numerous